pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars.
Okay. Oh! Oh, some MAC paint pot on the eyes. Oh, go ahead, Karen. Mess up those nails. Guys, I'm so excited to be playing with this palette. I've been working on my tan, can you tell? So for all of you that are new here, thank you so much for clicking on this video. I am a mom of 4, a single mom, and I have 1 fur baby. And I love doing makeup. I'm a makeup artist, I'm a psychologist, and I have a jewelry store, and I do YouTube. So we are going to quickly put on some foundation and then get started with the Cremated palette. Alright, so I'm back and I did a little bit of my brows and I've been rescuing kittens today, so we've been pulling fleas off of them. Video on those will be up shortly. Washing them with Dawn in the sink. One already shit on me too. But it's for a good cause. We saved their lives. Okay, so here it is, everybody. Look, 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 look. Isn't that exciting? I'm so excited. Should we do swatches or just do a look or what? I don't know. I think that I'm going to go in with a Jaclyn Hill brush and we're going to take Death Blow and just swoop over my lid that I put MAC paint pot on. There's some kickback. So we'll do a review and a look. I know there's a lot of controversy over this palette and whether or not... A bug just flew past me. And whether or not that this palette would be for everybody. Drinking my fruit, my greens, and my collagen. Okay. A little bit more of this white here. Okay. Oh, hi. All right. We have got several different grays we can choose from. One's a shimmer, or 2 look like kind of shimmers. Some look like, oh my gosh, what is going on today? All right. I want to do something in the crease. So we're going to do, oh yeah, a dark color in the crease. Should we do the black in the crease? No, let's go in with Eulogy. Definitely Kickback. We're going to put that in the crease. Ooh. Yes. Blendable. Definitely blendable. He said this was, Jeffree said this was all shadows, so there's no pigments in here. You hear the kitties?
Would they like to see one?
You can put one in front of the camera if you want. I can do a separate video on kitties if you'd like. We're that family that rescues animals. Goes and spends a fortune at the store to make sure that they're fed and healthy. Go ahead.
Well, I can't really move. There's stuff in the way. We just cleaned him, so he's still kind of wet.
Yeah. How old do you think he is? I'll have to show you guys. I think he's like, they're like maybe 4 weeks. I don't know. Anyhow, so I'm loving this gray color here. So now we want to choose something for the inner corner and the outer corner. Make sure the symmetry is good here. Where's my big brush I had? It's Friday, so we partying with Cremated and kitties. Ooh, there's even a film, plastic film over my mirror. I feel like now, and I'm clean, but I feel like there's fleas around. Look, 'cause I just pulled hundreds off of this little kitty. Okay. Now, let's take... Yes. We're going to go in with this Sigma brush right here. And we're going to use Diamond Ashes. see. That's a shadow. It looks a little chunky with this brush. Let me see. It's creamy. But yeah, it's kind of creamy. Let's see. A little chunky on its own. Do you see that? I'm going to have to work that in. Okay, Lizzo. Yeah, and look at that. Okay, so why that's so weird, I don't know. Okay, so let's do Afterlife with a different brush all over the lid here. Let's go in with, yes, a Luxie brush. Afterlife. And we're going to put that all over the lid. Much, much better. Absolutely. This is a pretty looking shimmer. Ooh, I'm liking it. I would do a cut crease if I had more time, but I will have plenty of time to play with this palette, so we're good to go there. Okay, where did I put my other brush? Not adding any product, but going back in the crease here. Ooh, I do want to incorporate some black into this. I should get comfortable because I'm not. There's like so much going on right now, and I really wanted to get this video up for you guys because you know I love y'all. Yes. Okay. Now, what are we gonna take? Let's go crazy. Okay, so Angel of Death. That is dark. Gonna put it right here. Ooh, it is pretty. I am liking that. Definitely need to blend. But this is a badass. Come on, the little tiny bug. Look at that. Okay, you know what? Just because I feel like it, and I don't usually go in any type of order, some black liner. Right here. Okay. Whew, yes, I'm feeling that vibe. I'm liking it a lot. Definitely got some blending to do, but I'm going to see about taking this Sigma brush right here, putting it in Angel of Death straight down. Ooh, look at that. That is going to be badass when it's smoked out. Of course, you guys know the packaging is amazing on these products. I can see why everyone was so hesitant because the colors look so much alike, but I really feel that the ones that I'm using are performing differently, and we are going to get into swatches, and of course I'm going to do several looks with this palette. Absolutely. Like, yeah. Okay. Do have some fallout on the face. I'm scared. Like I know that I'm fine and I'm clean and I showered and scrubbed myself, but still, you get itchy when you pull things off of, you know, and we save the kitties. And we save them.
Should I serve anyone? These were the little guys we rescued. We had to give them baths, and they had like 8,000 fleas on them. Don't know if they're gonna let you see their little faces or not. This one will. Hi. Yep, so I was pulling fleas off of them. There's one more my Amber went to go check on, but we just went and got a bunch of kitty stuff to take care of them before we find them homes.
All right, so we're blending away here. We're blending that Angel of Death that I put on the outer corner with that Eulogy. And it looks amazing. I'm loving that color, and I'm loving this afterlife. Like, hello, that is beautiful. I'm doing a quick look for you guys, because I've got more kitties to clean, and I want to go in with my stiffy. Where's my stiffy? Here's my stiffy. Let's take Casket Ready and see if we can use that as a brow bone highlight. Yeah, we can. Oh, I just stuck that in the wrong one. Okay. Ooh, I like this. The one I was having issues with, and use it as a highlight. I think that is much better as a highlight than it is as an actual shadow. Yeah, I definitely, absolutely would use that as a highlight. Why is I don't know why that's doing that. Mausoleum, Embalmed, Eulogy, Life Insurance. Mausoleum, Embalmed, Eulogy, Life Insurance, Last Respects, and Goodbye. Can't believe that one crumbled the way that it did. Okay, so that's your third row. All right, the last row of swatches. Obituary, Burial Gown, Afterlife, Casket Ready. This is where I think someone on Twitter said they were all white. Death Blow and Diamond Ashes. This is another one that crumbled really easily, but it was a great highlighter. So that's what I got. For the swatches, now guys, you know, once these are back in stock, I will be getting one for the 2020 giveaway. And a lot of you have been asking about the 2020 giveaway, what it is. There is quite a bit of 2020 releases that are in a giveaway that, for those of you who are subscribed to my channel and that are loyal to my channel, will be getting raffle tickets for. See, I take random picker, and I'm going to show you guys the first 10 from the skincare video in this video. These are the 10 that are going to find me on Instagram, send me their address so I can send them a ticket. Doesn't matter if you're a new subscriber or if you've been with me for a while. You're going to hold on to that ticket because I have a box of new releases. Where are they? There is the Mulan palette. There's Morphe brushes in there. There is the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette. There's going to be a Cremated palette in there. And there is so many other things. The end of the year, I'm going to do a live and we're going to choose raffle tickets. So you're going to need to have your raffle tickets for that. I figured it was a cool idea. I've never seen it done before. I don't know. What do you guys think? I'm loving it. Here is the 10 right now that need to get in touch with me on IG.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number.
Congratulations to all of you, and thank you so much for joining me for this video, even though I was a hot mess throughout it because there's so much stuff going on. But anyway, I do love you guys so very much. Thank you for taking time out of your day to spend some time with me. I really appreciate every one of you, and don't forget, my May Boxycharm giveaway, I think, either has ended or will be ending, and I will be choosing a winner for that soon. So go on over and check that out, and I'll see you guys on my next video. And congrats to all of you. Don't forget, raffle tickets, yes! And then we will talk about memberships, and those of you should be getting bracelets, because those of you who have joined my channel gets extra stuff. But I love all of you so very much. So thank you, thank you, thank you. I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.
Scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. But we fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want. Then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in, just me.